Hi guys, Tommy Olsson here. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add a chat option on your website using HubSpot. So here I am in the back office of Influx Plus. The first thing you gotta do is go to plugins. Here you search for HubSpot. And then you click on activate the plugin. I already have activated. The next thing you do is you go to HubSpot to the left here. And then you choose live chat. You go to live chat. And you go to inbox settings. Then you go here to edit chat. Here you can change the color of the chat in any way you want. And then you go to setting up your business hours by clicking availability. You can choose your time, or you can have this marked to be available 24/7. So now we're gonna go back to Chatflow. And just click and mark it as online. You can also preview it here. Here's how it looks. If you're satisfied with it, you can close this, or you can restart the setup. Okay, here you can see the chat. So there we have it. That's how to add a chat using HubSpot to any site. Now if you want to easily and fast create any website of your choice, e-commerce site or membership sites where you can sell your products, then you can get started through the link below for free for 14 days. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.